guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. On the way right now to Cleetus and Cars. We did end up running into the mail truck. See, it's back there. Let me see if I can find it. Mike officially got called out by the mail truck. I guess the next event he wants to race Mike. Super tired still. Hopefully I get to drive the truck. I don't want Mike to mess it up and I get to drive it. I don't want to sit around all day and do nothing. Right, Mochi? So right now I have to go take it, make sure it passes, and then just chill out later until the competition starts. You're not gonna post any of this shit, right?
I'm not doing it for you to post. I'm doing it for you to have a laugh later.
You killed my battery.
I was gonna record you guys fixing the fuel pump.
Pomeranian?
Yeah, you can pet
Does he
him.
or she bite?
Yeah.
No.
At your own risk. Oh, so I got a little tuppy with the analog.
Okay.
And this thing shakes so much that it the relay for the fuel pump turned off.
Could have been really bad.
Yeah, I almost shit myself, but I thought I blew Mike's engine, but it was just a fuel pump relay.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Well, and the amount of people here too is insane.
Yeah. This thing brings all the noise to the yard.
I was gonna do that for the Mustang.
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
I let off of it. Whatever's causing that breakup, I think the spark plugs are bad. But as soon as it launched, it broke up again.
So we might have a little bit of a ignition breakup on Mike's truck, but hope we can find some spark plugs to fix it. Alright, so Cooper's about to go up. We're gonna wish him good luck. Everything's ready to go.
Like, who is this guy? And then he just comes out here.
Hey, flip it.
Nah, that won't win me.
Flip it. Flip it.
Part of it is to drive off.
Nah, come on. Wait, remember, first, second, third, and just turn that
It's gonna
shit.
be third right when I'm in there.
burger Dorito? Is that it? Oh, cool. All right, let's hear it for Vargas in the REPU.
Yo, this burger made me drive 23 hours to do a burnout in the truck. And what'd you do, Mike?
I blew the coolant hose. But I did a burnout though.
He did a burnout, so I get to go home now empty-handed. Mike's paying for my gas, it's all good. Look at the radiator, it's not flat anymore. You can see it's bowing out. Hose busted. Again, common sense Mike is gonna blow. But this time you can see it down here. It blew the flange completely off. I mean, it's Mike's fault. That's just way too thin. So of course now it comes to rebuild. We have to fix the coolant issue. We can keep doing more burnouts, but still radiators, drama. Go back out, do more burnouts. Cause ain't nothing killing this truck. Not even Mike.